happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to make stamped faux glassine bags. But first, let's have our shout out to Pam, Shelley, Melanie, Jane, Nancy, Trudy, and Joyce. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, I have my tracing paper. I have my stamps. I have my ink. I have some glue, and I have my scissors. So let's get going. All right, I have chosen, let's see, let's go ahead and use this one right here. Now you can make Christmas ones, you can make botanical ones, you can make whatever type of glassine bag that you want, depending on what stamp you want to use. I'm going to wipe this off because I've got some ink. I've got ink all over my hands, but you know, it's all good, right? So I'm going to start at the bottom of my paper, my tracing paper. I'm going to get this all out of the way so you can see. So this is my tracing paper. You can see that corner, 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 corner. Okay, kind of see it on there. Move it around, you can see it. Now I'm going to get my black ink. That's what I want to use, is black. And I'm going to go ahead and get this stamp inked up. And I'm actually going to stamp it at the bottom. And so I'm just going to stamp it just like this. Now you can change it out. Oh, isn't that pretty? And you can choose to do another stamp if you want. Let's see. I've got this one that I haven't tried this one. I'm going to try this one. Oh, heavenly days. I can get it off. There we go. All right, let's get this on here, and let's stamp this, and then I can show you what I did. I did this all different ways, and I found that doing it this way was, whoa, that didn't get stamped very well. You know, actually, I'm going to do a no-no, and I'm going to do it again, just because I'm going to. Oh, well, I think it must be something wrong with the stamp. I do. I think it's something wrong with the stamp. Restamping, that turned out pretty good for a restamp, if I say so myself. Now, let's see. I think I'm going to choose this one because it's a little thinner. And no. I'm going to choose this one right here. Yeah, I think there was a problem with that actual making of that stamp. I think the stamp is defective. Okay, so let's do one right here. Oh my goodness, aren't they pretty? Now I'm going to close up my ink and move it out of the way because I'm getting ink everywhere. And now you do have to be careful. This is wet. This stays wet for 10-15 minutes depending on if it's raining outside or not. But it is tracing paper, so it takes a while to dry. But this is what I do. I'm actually making the bag upside down. So this is going to be the top, and this is going to be the bottom, but I'm going to fold it like this because I found it to be the easiest. So I'm going to fold it just like this. Try not to touch that. Fold it down just like that. All right, so we're making 3 bags here, right? 3 different bags. All right, so now that's folded. Now I'm going to get my wet glue. You can use whatever wet glue that you want. And I am going to go ahead and put my wet glue down. Yeah, that's as far as down as it went. All the way across. And down this way. I hope I'm still in frame. And then I'm going to go down this way for the middle and this way for the middle. Then I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to get my little tool, which is just an old charge card, or in my case it's a gift card, and I'm going to seal it. Oh my goodness! Some of the glue kind of oozed out, but that's okay. That's okay that it's oozing out. Get it out. Get it all glued up. Now what you need to do is give it a trim. I would wait personally, but we're not waiting because it's a video. I would wait till this glue dried a little better because otherwise you're going to get all over your scissors, but that's okay. I'll wash my scissors. So we're going to cut it like that, and then we're going to cut it here, right in the middle of that glued area, and then right here, right in the middle of that glued area. And so now you can take a piece of paper and you can put it right here like this, and then bring in your thumb punch and punch the top, because this is your top. Punch that just like that, and then open it up. You can open it and then punch it if you want, or punch it and then open it. However you want to do it, it works. And then you have your faux glassine bag that is stamped with whatever beautiful stamp you choose. Oh, you guys, I have had great fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it some thumbs up, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. See you there, guys. Bye now.